good for the artistic vibe inside of me, you know? Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup. We do have two different brands we're going to be talking about today. The first one is going to be the Morphe Avani GREGG for the BEBS palette. And we're going to be talking about the new JUVIA'S Place Eye Prep Eye Prime Eye Primer. Happy birthday to me! It's gonna be my birthday. Hopefully by the time this comes up. So my birthday is on April 4th. If this is up there by that time, happy birthday to me. Hope if anyone's a birthday twin with me, happy birthday to you too. But like before, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. I got a lot to say about these, so let's get right on into it. So I'm gonna start with the littlest one first. This is the JUVIA'S Place Eye Prep and Eye Prime Eye Primer. This did retail, I believe, $12 to $14. I did get mine from Ulta online, and this is the shade 2. So I got like the medium shade because I was like, I didn't want white because you guys know on this channel I use my Morphe base. So I was like, I don't want the white one. And the darker brown one, I said, well, I don't necessarily need that one because my skin tone concealer. But I always like one that's a little bit lighter and not quite white. So this was a cute little packaging. It does have the Juvia on the top. I see they added 3 heads on there kind of fading to each other. It does show the color right in the little pocket there, the little square. And this is 12 milliliters. Not too much to talk about, but it does have a pretty cute little simple packaging. And I like that it does show you in the center like the shade that you're getting. So that's all for this little buddies. So of course we're going to be talking about the Morphe X Avani GREGG for the BEBS palette. So I believe this retails from $25 to $30. I'm going to put all the pricing and the links and the information all below, guys. Looking at this packaging, it is very interesting. I feel like it's kind of like a graffiti, cute punkish kind of color kind of vibe. So on the back of the packaging, it does have her picture and a little message. It said for the babes, hi babes. I try to match y'all's immaculate energy with this makeup. My love for makeup is off the charts. Same goes for my love for y'all babes. P.S. Whoever's reading this, I cannot wait to see what looks you create. Well, girl, I did. This has pressed pigments and regular shadows in this palette, by the way. So again, the front, it has her heart. It has Avani on it, kind of dripping. It does have that cute little pinky purple to green ombre background. It looks like they have her name in there, hearts and little flowers, smiley faces mixed in there. So it's cute. It's a cute little packaging. So they give you a big old mirror. If you guys don't know, I love me some big old mirrors. I like a big mirror. I don't know what it is. A big mirror in a palette's like, yeah, that's good. And then we have, of course, all of these beautiful shades. So there's another palette that they came out that is kind of like this layout. It was like Artistry palette by Mitchell. And that kind of had the same situation. So we're going to get into that a little deeper. And of course, they do have 2 different styles of things in here. And I can't wait to get into that a little bit later. So that's all I can say about this palette, because I want to dig all the way deep into it. But I want to get into this look. So if you guys want this look, or these looks actually, stay tuned. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. I'm gonna start off again with the Juvia's Place. So this little cutie, what I learned off the bat with this primer, y'all, a little bit goes a long way. So when I did use it on my first eye, I said, oh, I put a little too much. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be a little stickier. It is a little more wet, a little more slick to it. I did put almost a full dime or nickel size, and I was like, that is way too much. So a little drop just goes a long way. Like, look at that, just keeps on going, keeps on going. You don't need a lot with this primer at all. It'll just keep on traveling and keep on going. As you guys can see, I did use two different things for the primer. I did start off with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, and then I did go with my little beauty blender. To me, with the brush, it was cute, but I feel like the beauty blender worked better with the primer. That's just my opinion. I feel like if it was a little more stickier, it doesn't have so much slip to it, I would use just the brush still. But since it's a little, not so sticky, a little more wet, a little slip to it, the beauty blender is always the best route to go with. That prime is really, really good. And I feel like this color stayed put, and it really did very well with the blues. I feel like even though it blended with the blue, you guys see how it's cutting my crease, but I still felt like it still stayed where it needed to stay. So that primer is good. Just beware, a little bit goes a long way. So literally just a little, because you don't need a lot whatsoever. I do really like it. I feel like it really held all these colors together, and that's what I needed. I'm glad about that. So that primer was good. I recommend people to grab it. Next is going to be, of course, the Avani palette. So with this palette, I'm gonna count how many colors they give you because I know there's a lot of colors. So you get 30 colors in this whole entire palette. This is the Artistry palette, of course. So if you guys know the Artistry palette so far with Morphe, what I realized. So what they're gonna give you is eyeshadows and pressed pigments, and then they're going to give you water activated liners for the eyeballs. And I'm still tripping over this. Every time I see anything with this in an Artistry palette, I'm like, I need to try it. Because if you guys don't know, I have the Mitchell palette, the other one they came out with. I think that was the first Artistry palette they came out with. I think so. But it was so cool to see when his was a little more, to me, his palette was a little more masculine, a little more olivey colors, a little deeper. And I was like, a little washed out colors. It was cute. The water activated liners got me together because I said, I like that. I feel like this is very, like, artistic wise, I feel like they need to put this in all their palettes. I love it. Or if they keep it just Artistry, that's fine. I'm gonna buy them every time, because I was like, that alone, I said, is that what I think it is? And they said Artistry palette. I said, it is that. I gotta try it. Let me get back up to here because I can talk about these all day. So the tops, they do give you, I believe, a press. Yeah, they gave you one press glitter. This one is called, star emoji. So that one's that kind of, platinum shimmer, platinum pressed glitter. LMAO, that one is like a very slick, it's like a baby lavender, like a lavender shimmer. It's pretty. And then this one's called Diet. Oh, that's a pressed glitter too. Okay, so they do give you two pressed glitters, the silver and the bronze one. So those only two, I have to admit, I don't like that. I thought that one was a pressed little shimmer or whatnot. But the LMAO, that one's very, very cute. I did use that a little bit with my finger because it's one of those smooth, wet, kind of silky shimmers. I love when Morphe puts that in their palettes. On the top row, I did use the yellow, which is Beat Boop. So the more vibrant orange reddish color, it's called You Mad? Cute. And then I use the white one, is called Inaudible Noise. So this is cute, the little slogans, little name she got. And then I did use the Chuckin's Coffee. I guess she liked that coffee. And then I did use, I don't know how to say that. Anulele, I don't know how to say that. A little warmy kind of orange down there. That was a pretty color. Oh, let's get down to these. So Maddie don't like that light purple. Oh, love it. That lavender, love it. Fishy, she's cute. She's cute. I like that kind of baby powder blue. That's really pretty. And then I did use the gray called Bruh. And then I used Hidden Black on my eye. I did like that gray Bruh. I did like that one. That one was really good. And how could I forget Anthony? I don't know about what that name about, but Anthony, that blue, y'all, that blue was cute. She was cute. That dark blue, I cried. These two, these blues, if you guys see how pigmented they were gorgeous. I was like, okay, Okay, that was beautiful. That was good. You guys, I know, let me get down to the big ones. So all of these are wet your brush before you line. So these are the water activated gel liners, of course. I used every single color. Do these all have names? They sure do. I have to admit, since you guys seen, I did this row with the top row and then this eye with the bottom row. Overall, when I wet all of these, the top row right here, those liners were sharp, they were good. And then the bottom one, they are a little more colorful and whatnot, but they were okay. They didn't pop as much as the color shows, but the top rows pop, and I was like, that was a good top row. Even the white showed up. I was like, that's cute, that's cute. I forgot to tell you guys too, she does have different prints inside of the shadows. So she does like have smiley face. She has, it looks like little fishies or little cartoon eyes, things dripping, A, V, another symbol, a flower. She does have all these different, like a slash. She has these different prints inside of those. So y'all, overall, this palette, if you do want artistry, creativity, you can create all kinds of different liner looks with it. You can design different designs in your eyes. The colors are very pigmented. This artistry palette, and I think even the one from before, is excellent. I think people that are art bug like myself, you would like to play with these colors a lot, because I know I do. I like to play a lot with different colors. I don't like to just wear warm colors, even though they are so beautiful and complimented on the eye. And guys, I didn't pick a favorite color because I really don't have a favorite color. I think all of them work very, very well. But I'll tell you, the ones I don't care for, like I said, is the star emoji and diet. I don't like the pressed glitters, the silver and that bronze one. That's the ones I don't like. But everything else, love it. This is a fun palette. I was like, this is what I like. I like fun palettes. I think this is a good buy, especially if you like creative things. If you just like the water activated liners, you'll love this palette, because if you like the Mitchell one, you'll love this one. This is good for the artistic vibe inside of me, you know? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I know I enjoyed playing around with colors. And guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know below, guys, do you like this kind of artistry palette? Do you like water activated liners, or do you like just more simpler palettes? And also don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.